Day 3, we're gonna start out with the mango lemonade from Truly. It's a lemonade hard seltzer.
Yeah, out of the new pack. These are new products.
5% alcohol, of course. A lot of mango and things now,
Yeah, mango lemonade seltzer.
These guys are good, so I'm sure it'll be good.
The last couple have been nice. Oof, yeah, smells mango-y like that other one.
Yep.
Fresh though, like a good, nice fresh mango nose out of it.
Yeah, you can definitely get the lemon and the mango in the flavor.
Oh yeah, you do.
Very refreshing. I love this carbonated shit.
Like a powder,
yeah.
Yeah.
Which ain't bad. Lemonade's good no matter what.
Yeah, I'm not complaining.
Yeah.
And again, man, I don't like mango.
Yeah, this is, I like it.
Good way to start the day.
Yeah, absolutely.
Super refreshing. Kind of sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The carbonation and the refreshes the palate a little bit.
Oh yeah, so crisp and refreshing. That little bit of sweetness really turns it into something else too.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
'Cause all of the other ones are kind of real dry, and after a while, they're flavorful, right? But after a while, it just kind of leaves me needing something.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is good. It's more rounded.
Yeah, it is.
Kind of full.
Yeah.
Oh
yeah. Good flavor too. Yeah, this would be good with like some sort of cold sandwich or.
Oh yeah, sweetness makes it a little more versatile too.
Be nice with like some tomatoes and like a salad or on a sandwich.
It'd be really good with a salad of some sort. Maybe just with a little smoked salmon in there or something.
Yeah.
Some fruit in with it, or like a mango vinaigrette.
Yeah.
And then you had this, and then some of that smoked salmon in there, or I don't know, even a chicken Caesar with some garlic or something I can see going well with this.
Jump in a fruit bowl.
Yeah, it would. Carve out your watermelon and put all your, cut up pieces in there and everything, and then throw a little of this in there, for your brunch bar or something. Oof, just cool. Like adults only.
Yeah.
Little flag in it.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Pork chops, pork ribs.
Oh yeah.
Pork anything. Seared and sweet, or Asian kind of pork of some sort.
Oh yeah, like some soy sauce, teriyaki.
I would love this with teriyaki. How it's kind of fruity and.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it thumbs up.
Oh yeah, me too.
Mango or not.
Pretty damn good again.
Yeah, it is solid.
Yep.